Okay, we're going to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. We need to start off with just plain y squared, not 2y squared. So divide both sides by 2 to begin with. This results in us having y squared minus 7 halves times y equals 15. And I'm going to add a box to both sides of the equation to be used in the completing the square process. So add a box to the left, and we have to add a box to the right. To figure out what goes in those boxes, we go down to the next step where the square has been completed, which means we have another box to fill in down here. And the way these boxes get filled in is the same as usual. Take half of the coefficient here. Half of 7, well, that's multiplying it times 1/2. So if we go 1/2 times 7 halves, we get 7/4. And then if we square the 7/4, squaring 7/4, 7/4 times 7/4 is 49/16. So we had to add 49/16 to both sides here. Now this is 15 is how many sixteenths? It's 240. So this is 240 sixteenths plus 49 sixteenths. So this adds up to 289 sixteenths. Now we use the square root property to get rid of the square, and we write y minus 7/4 equals plus or minus the square root of 289 over 16. And the square root of 289 is 17, and the square root of 16 is 4. So if I add 7/4 to both sides, we get that y is equal to 7/4 plus or minus 17/4. And if we choose the plus, we get one solution. And if we choose the minus, we get another solution. And so, choosing the plus, or choosing the minus. If I choose the plus, we have 7/4 plus 17/4. And that equals 24/4, which is 424 6 times. So there's one of the solutions is 6, y equals 6 in this case. So one solution is y equals 6, and the other solution comes from taking the negative in the middle, so we have 7/4 minus 17/4, negative 10/4, or negative 5/2. So there's a second solution to this quadratic equation. We have these two solutions for y.